we have to follow 5 steps on how to solve the given word problem, okay, involving linear equation in one variable. So, step 1, we need to understand the given problem. So, to understand, okay, pwede natin i-translate siya sa Tagalog para mas maintindihan ng iba. Okay, so ang sabi dito, si Lara daw ay nakaipon ng pera sa kanyang, okay, jar, container. And then, ito daw ay combination, pinagsamang 50 pesos bill and 100 peso bills. Okay, at ang kabuuan ng kanyang naipon ay 4,250. Ang tanong, ilang piraso daw anak yung 50 pesos and yung 100 pesos bills? Okay, pero merong hint na binigay. Ito po. So, the number of 50 peso bills is 5 more than twice the number of 100 peso bills. So, step number 2 is to identify the unknown. So, based on the given, merong hint na binigay. Saan pong hint yun? Hint po para sa 50 peso bills. So, meaning, ang unknown natin ay yung 100 peso bills at followed by 50 peso bills. So, meaning, let X be the number of 100 peso bills. Then, dito tayo magbe-base, anak, para kapag express tayo ng mathematical expression for 50 peso bills. So, ang sabi dito, anak, 50 peso bills is more than, 5 more than, twice the number of 100 peso bills. So, ano kaya yung pwede maging mathematical expression sa 50 peso bills? Sabi, 5 more than, twice the number of 100 peso bills. So, ano kaya yung magiging mathematical expressions natin? 2x, okay, more than, anak, plus 5. Very good. So, this will become 2x plus 5. Ito po yun. 5 more than, since more than yung ginamit na word, kaya si 5 napunta sa second term. 5 more than twice the number of 100 peso bills. So, this is now for number of 50 peso bills. Then, after that, step 3, we need to form an equation. Now, how to form an equation? Magbe-base na tayo dito, anak, sa mathematical expression na nakuha natin. O, ang sabi daw dyan, the total amount of money is 4,250. Ano kaya yung pwede maging operation? Pag sinabing total, ano po yun sa Tagalog? Kabuuan. Ibig sabihin, pag pinagsama natin yung 100 peso bills at 50 peso bills equal sa 4,250. So, ano kaya yung pwede maging equation natin dyan? Anong operation, anak? Very good. Addition. I-add po natin yan. But, etong x, we need to multiply it by 100. Kasi ito po yung number. Number kung ilang 100 peso bills to. Imumultiply natin sa 100. At ganun din po itong 2x plus 5. Imumultiply natin sa 50. Then, equal po siya sa 4,250. Then, after that, step 4 na tayo, anak, solve. How to solve? By using the property of equality. Okay, first, we need to distribute first 50. Kasi po may parenthesis tayo. So, distribute 50 by the given binomials. Itong seta 100x, bring down lang po yan. And then 5 times 2x, 50 times 2x, 100x. And then 50 times 5, 250. Then itong si 4,250, bring down. Then after that, combine similar terms. So what are similar terms? 100x and 100x. So 100 plus 100, 200. And then copy the variable x. That is 200x. Then itong si 250, bring down. For 250, bring down din. Then after that now, identify the value of b. What is the value of b here? 250. We need to eliminate 250. O anong property yung i-apply natin? Okay, di ba what is the additive inverse of 250? Negative. Kaya anong property po yun? Subtraction property of equality. So, subtract both sides of the equation by the additive inverse of 250, which is negative 250. Para ma-cancel po yan. And then, itong si 425, 50, subtract din po natin. So, minusan din po natin ang 250. Okay, anong natira sa left side? 200x, bring down. And then, 4,250 minus 250, 4,000. Then after that, apply also the property of equality. What property naman? Division property of equality. So, divide both sides of the equation by what? By 200. So, cancel. Anong natira dito sa left? X. And then, 1,000 divided by 200. Okay, therefore, the value of x is correct. And 20 is also the number of 100 peso bills. So, yung 100 pesos is 20 pieces. Now, identify natin, anak, ilang pieces yung 50 peso bills. Okay, what we're going to do, we need to change x as 20. So this will become solve for the number of 50 bills. So this is 2x plus 5 or is equal to 2 times 20, which is the value of x, plus 5. Or 2 times 20, 40. 40 plus 5. Okay, very good. So therefore, 45 is the number or 45 pieces of 50 bills in her jar, and Lara has 20 pieces of 100 peso bills. So that is the answer. Kasi ano pong hinihingi? How many bills of each kind does Lara have? So ito po yung answer natin. So therefore, Lara has 20 pieces of 100 peso bills and 45 pieces of 50 peso bills in her jar. Now, how to check if our answer is correct? Okay, step 5, check and interpret. Okay, check natin kung tama yung sagot, anak. So, yung 20 pieces, ita-times lang natin sa 100. 20 times 100. 2,000. Plus, ito naman din po, 45 times 50. 2,250. Then, i-add po natin, anak. 2,000 plus 2,250. 4,000. Okay, equal po ba, anak, dun sa total amount? So, therefore, the value of x is correct.